Here's the truth most relationships avoid hearing. Healing is an inside job. No one can heal for you. Your wounds, your triggers, your nervous system, that responsibility is yours. But repair takes two. Repair requires presence, accountability, willingness to listen without defending, and the capacity to stay, especially when it gets uncomfortable. A relationship survives not because both people are healed, but because both people are willing to repair ruptures, name impact, rebuild trust after the damage. Healing helps you to stop bleeding on others. Repair teaches you how to stay connected when pain appears. Strong relationships don't avoid rupture, they simply know how to return after each repair of rupture.